Have you ever wondered how wealthy families pass down not just money but the mindset and habits that help build wealth? Today we'll explore 6 money lessons rich parents teach their kids, lessons that anyone can apply to set up the next generation for success. Before we get into it, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. It really means a lot to us, and it helps us continue sharing valuable content that can help you grow financially and personally. All right, let's jump in. The first lesson rich parents teach their children is that money is earned, not given. Wealthy families emphasize the value of hard work and responsibility. By teaching their kids that money doesn't simply appear, they help build a strong foundation of respect for financial responsibility. Here's how they do it. 1. Earning allowances. Rich parents don't simply hand out money, they often tie allowances to specific tasks or goals. Whether it's doing chores around the house or helping with family businesses, these parents ensure that their kids understand the connection between effort and reward. 2. Involvement in family businesses. If the family has a business, children are often invited to observe or participate in age-appropriate ways. This hands-on experience helps them understand how money is generated, managed, and reinvested. 3. Understanding value creation. Wealthy parents also teach that money is a byproduct of creating value in the world. Whether it's through solving problems, providing services, or creating products, they make sure their children grasp the concept that value comes first, and money follows. Money is a tool that's earned through providing value, and it requires effort and responsibility to manage wisely. Rich parents understand the value of teaching their children to save and invest early in life. This isn't just about building a piggy bank, it's about learning the long-term benefits of growing money through smart investments. 1. The power of compound interest. One of the first financial principles many wealthy parents teach their kids is compound interest, the idea that money grows faster when it's allowed to accumulate and earn interest over time. They show their children how even small, consistent investments can grow into significant wealth. 2. Setting up savings and investment accounts. Many wealthy parents set up savings or investment accounts for their children early on. This can be a custodial account or a trust that grows with time, teaching kids the power of delayed gratification and the importance of long-term thinking. 3. Teaching financial discipline. Instead of focusing solely on saving, rich parents teach their children that saving is the first step, but investing wisely is what builds wealth. By helping them understand that their money can work for them, they encourage a mindset of financial growth. Start saving and investing early to benefit from the power of compound growth and long-term wealth building. Rich parents don't leave their children's financial education to chance. They recognize that schools don't always cover the essentials, so they take responsibility for ensuring their kids are financially literate. 1. Teaching basic financial concepts early. Wealthy parents make sure their children understand key financial concepts like assets, liabilities, budgeting, and interest. They teach their kids that financial literacy is the foundation of smart money management and wealth building. 2. Encouraging practical learning. Instead of just giving their kids money, rich parents often involve their children in budgeting, setting financial goals, and understanding household finances. They may even show them how to pay bills or make financial decisions, teaching them how to handle money responsibly. 3. Financial education resources. Many wealthy parents encourage their children to read books or take courses on financial topics. By providing access to resources like personal finance books or online classes, they foster a culture of continuous financial learning. Financial literacy is the foundation of wealth. Entrepreneurial thinking is another key lesson rich parents pass down to their kids. Rather than encouraging their children to rely solely on traditional jobs, they teach them to think creatively about how to generate income and solve problems. 1. Encouraging early ventures. Whether it's setting up a lemonade stand, selling crafts, or creating an online business, rich parents encourage their kids to take entrepreneurial risks. These ventures teach valuable lessons about the marketplace, customer service, and handling money. 2. Developing problem-solving skills. Entrepreneurship is closely tied to problem-solving, and wealthy parents emphasize the importance of this skill. By challenging their children to think critically and find solutions to real-world problems, they foster a mindset that is essential for business success. 3. Reinvesting profits. Wealthy parents often teach their kids to reinvest profits rather than spend them. This not only teaches delayed gratification, but also the importance of growing a business or investment over time. Entrepreneurial thinking helps develop problem-solving skills and financial independence. One of the most valuable lessons wealthy parents teach their children is the importance of giving back. Financial success isn't just about personal gain. It's also about making a positive impact on the world and helping others. 1. Teaching philanthropy. Early. Rich parents often involve their children in charitable activities, whether through donations or volunteer work. This teaches kids that money is a tool for improving not just their own lives, but the lives of others as well. 2. Encouraging gratitude. By involving children in charitable giving, wealthy parents help them develop a sense of gratitude for what they have. They teach that financial success comes with a responsibility to contribute to society and help those in need. 3. Legacy and long-term impact. Wealthy families often think in terms of legacy, creating a lasting impact that goes beyond personal wealth. By instilling this value in their children, they ensure that future generations continue to use their resources for the greater good. Financial success comes with the responsibility to give back. One of the most powerful lessons rich parents teach their children is the value of long-term thinking. Building wealth isn't about quick wins. It's about making smart decisions that pay off over years, if not decades. 1. Delayed gratification. Rich parents teach their kids to delay gratification and focus on long-term rewards. Whether it's saving for a major purchase or reinvesting earnings into a business or stock portfolio, they emphasize the importance of patience and persistence. 2. Planning for the future. Wealthy families plan not just for themselves, but for future generations. They teach their children to think about wealth in terms of legacy, ensuring that their financial decisions benefit not just their immediate family, but also their descendants. 3. Diversifying income streams. Another key principle rich parents instill in their children is the importance of diversifying income streams. Whether through real estate, stocks, businesses, or other assets, they teach their kids that relying on one source of income is risky. Think long-term. And that's it. 6 money lessons rich parents teach their kids. From understanding the value of hard work to thinking long-term about wealth, these lessons are the foundation of financial success. The best part? You don't have to be rich to teach these principles. Anyone can apply these lessons to create a brighter financial future for themselves and their children. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us continue providing valuable content to help you grow financially and personally. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.